everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to decorate the tree and I'm so excited. Well, it's the Wednesday before Thanksgiving, and while you all are roasting and chopping and slicing and dicing, I'm decorating the tree. All right, let's get started. Okay, so first I want to give a big shout out to Walmart for this tree. And then I also want to acknowledge the fact that I lost a screw because as I was putting the tree into the base, the screw fell down into my air duct. Gone. So on Tuesday, I called the 800 number. They gave me an email. I sent the email to the company saying you send a picture of the tree, you send a copy of the receipt, said I need one screw by by Friday or Saturday. Checked the mailbox and I had a packet of screws. They sent me 3 again. So thank you for responding to that so quickly. All right, let me show you what I got for the tree. I'm so excited. These are the huge balls. Can you see those? Okay. These are from, are these from Walmart? Yep, these are from Walmart. And I got them this year, so if I don't need them, I'm going to take them back because I got a slim tree. I may not need anything this big, but I'm thinking about using them underneath the tree. Then I have these shatterproof bulbs. I think these are at home. Got these last year. Last year or the year before, as I was going through the ribbon at Sam's Club, I found this ribbon. And I am definitely going to get beyond the light this time. Let's figure out how I'm going to do this. I'm still getting a glare. Okay, there you go. Can you see that ribbon? It is absolutely gorgeous. It has this grayish silver, and then there are gold and silver and white specks through it out up top there, or kind of on this part of the ribbon. I thought it was fabulous, and last year I didn't get my stuff together to finish getting enough stuff together to do the design I wanted to do. And when Rebecca Robeson, I can't remember when she went to the Dallas event, I don't know what you call that, the home shows or whatever, and she began looking for her Christmas decorations for this year. She had a ribbon that was so close to this. I don't think it's the same brand, but it was so close. And I was like, I'm going to have a tree like Rebecca Robeson's. So anywho, no, I'm not going to have a tree like Rebecca's. So anywho, I can only dream of having a tree like Rebecca's, but I'm going to do my best. So I paired these two together. Got both of these at the same time. Let's see if I can adjust my light. Oh, there we go. So I got both of these at the same time. Can you see those? I thought they would work really well together. And then I pulled out a few other ribbons that I have. Not sure which ones I'll be using. I know I'll be using the first 2. Not sure if I'll be using these. This last one says Merry Christmas. But we'll see what ends up coming together. That one is this. The first is gold. The second one is champagne gold. Then you can see that gold and cream. And then the Merry Christmas gold glitter against the cream. Now Rebecca did I call it mint green, mixed in with her color. She did gold, cream, gold, white, or off-white with the grayish silver. And then she did this mint green mixed in. It is so pretty. You got to go check out her Christmas decor this year. It's Rebecca Robeson. And I don't have mint green. I was planning to just do the gold, silver, and white. But what I do have are some picks and things that have that lighter green color. So I think I'm going to mix some of this in the tree so I get a hint of that color. Because I just didn't want to spend the money, to tell the truth. I didn't want to spend the money on another color and then not use it again. Okay, so I'm going to try that. And then I usually use netting for my tree skirt. And I'll show you how I do that. So I have those 2 colors, not sure which one I'm going to use yet. I think it depends. If I have enough gold in the tree, then I'll use the white. I got some of these other picks I just pulled out of my stash. And I think I'll use these to help make my tree topper. Got these ornaments last year from Walmart. I thought they were gorgeous. And they're white with silver. Here are the ones I got at Walmart last year. And these are gold. Okay. I don't know if they have them this year. Just digging through my stash, I found this garland. Looks like I have two. Oh, it's two separate ones. Oh. I thought it was one piece. See, sometimes you don't know what you have in your own stuff. I don't know. I might use both, but this is the one I was really looking at because it's really long. And thought I could string some of this kind of around the tree. I thought that would be pretty. Might use this one too, the shorter one. I have these flowers. I believe these are from Walmart. I've had these for years, and I'll fluff them up. And then as I just went through my stash, I found these gorgeous babies. It's like a, yeah, see that? Isn't that gorgeous? The light hitting against that is going to be wonderful. I found some more champagne gold. I don't think I'm going to need these. Oh, sorry. It's clear. Now, clear pine cones. They glitter real nice in the light. And as I was pulling through what I stored last year, I didn't even realize I had this. I love this. This ribbon. This is a Hobby Lobby ribbon. Can somebody teach me how to do this light? And I was so glad to find this. This Hobby Lobby. I don't know where this came from. But look, the gold, the silvers, champagne gold, silvers, white, or off-white. Because I was like, what am I going to use to make a wreath? And I had already bought it and forgot about it. And then I have the piece that is my theme for my tree. I got these at home, these cute little crowns. They will be on the tree. And I have like a medium-sized one. They will be on the tree. And just to show you the size difference between the medium one I showed and this one. And all three of these were at home. The two smaller ones I got last year. This one I got this year. And this was probably going to be my tree topper. I wasn't sure if it's going to be too big because I have a slimmer tree, but I think it's going to work. Isn't it gorgeous? You see all those crystals and stuff in there? And my theme for this year is King of Kings, Lord of Lords. So I'm going to decorate the tree. And next time you see me, hopefully next time if I don't get any special orders again, next time you'll see me do my wreath. And I'm going to show you how I make a crown wreath. Aha! So I got a few of these that are still at minty color. And it looks like this spray is going to be the last piece of it. Mint green colors that I have. So when I have sprays like this, or I don't know what you call sprays, or no, this would be a spray probably. I cut them as far down on the stem as possible because I will hopefully I will get to use them again, and I want the stem to be as long as possible. So that's how I'm going to cut everything I have over there. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is start adding in these sprays. I've cut them into pieces and I'm going to distribute them throughout the tree just to add in as much as that slight, I call it that minty green, sea foam green, or Rebecca Robeson called it an aqua color. I'm going to add that in, get as much of it as possibly can. And as I said, I don't have that color in ornaments or ribbon, so I'm using my greenery to put in as much as I can. Next, I want to add my tree topper. I'll start forming that, and I like to add something really bushy and full. So I've got those grasses that look like that seafoam color, and then I've got some golds, and what's that other gold called? Why am I drawing a blank? Okay. Golds and metallic golds, I'll call it that. Champagne gold, that's the word I'm looking for. and I've added them at the top. And next I want to show you how I do my flowers. So I pull out the leaves, but you also want to kind of bend the leaves so they have that shape of a bird's wing. You know how we used to draw the little bird's wings on our papers when we were little? So I'm pulling them out and giving a little slight curve so that it looks like that. And then that's going to make your flowers look nice and full and with all that dimension. Okay? So next we're going to just start adding them to the tree, and I just placed them in different places. I think I had about 8 of them, but I'm not going to show all of that because some of them are actually going on the sides and the back, and you can't see that anyway. So I'm going to add those in, and then we'll be ready for the next step. So now I have my larger ornaments, not those huge ones. Those are going to go on the floor at the bottom of the tree because, like I said, I have a slim tree, and I just thought they would look kind of crazy on this size tree. Although I have seen people do it, and it looks good. I just don't know how. So for me, I've added in my larger ornaments throughout the tree, and now I'll go back to say when I do it, I do one ornament at a time. I mean, one type of ornament at a time to make sure I space them in different places. So like I did all my white ones, I did all my gold ones, I did all those what I call pine cone shaped ones. So now I have my ribbon, and I took 2 ribbons, put them back to back, and did this little curl so that the outer part of the ribbon shows and the inner part of the ribbon shows another ribbon. So those 2 ribbons I said I was going to use, that's what I have. So I've put my crowns throughout the tree, and now I have my big crown that I'm using to make my tree topper. I have tried and failed to get this thing to stay on top, so I've added some pipe cleaners so that I can actually attach it to the tree and hopefully get it to stay in place. Now I'll tell you, since I've done this, it seemed like for days I had to still go back in and get that crown right. But it's on there now, and it seems to be staying straight. So here's my tree. Oh, I love this thing. I love the whites and golds, the champagne golds and silvers. I love the crowns, and I even love that aqua seafoam color. Hints of it here and there. I do wish I had more. I wish it could have been more like Rebecca Robeson's, but I'll take what I've got. And you can see at the bottom I took my netting and just kind of bunched it up and went all the way around the tree and put those large ornaments on the top. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And don't forget, if you want to be a family member, to hit the button and ring the bell so you'll be notified when I release new videos. I guess that's it for now. I thank you for spending this time with me, and I'll be talking with you again real soon. Oh, and don't forget, my next video will be how I make my crown wreath. All right, talk to you later.